Guys, we got the first giveaway on our YouTube channel, and it is sick. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Car Wars YouTube channel. So a lot has happened since our last video. We got some really exciting news for you guys. We got a giveaway going on, and today in this video we have to decide, are we going wide body or are we staying with the basic stock look with the rims and the spoiler? So guys, stay tuned, it's gonna get wild.
Alright guys, so the first good news. We had a professional frame guy stop by. He has like 12 years of experience with frame and exotic cars, does stuff from Porsches. I mean, pretty much this guy's the best in town. He stopped by, checked out the GT-R, and he laughed it off, told us this is not even damaged. Engine is staying. He said that the engine is better if the engine stays. Nothing is coming out. Pretty much we have to deliver it to him. Made it seem like it was a piece of cake. All he said is to make sure we have all the front end parts so he can assemble it and do all the gaps and everything. So all we gotta do is get everything and bring it over to him and pick it up all done. But he did say we have to get new horn rails, the tips. Actually spent $3 grand at the dealer today. At the Nissan dealer, had to spend quite a bit. But parts are on the way. Everything is coming. We don't have everything yet, but we're still working on that.
Okay, so for the second set of good news, check this out. This is the original GTR key from this car. One of you guys helped me reach the original owner, and I contacted him, I talked to him, and the guy sent me the original key. That is what's up. I mean, shout out to Gabriel. Dude, thanks for this key. So he saved us a bunch of money. So now we have the key. We can open the trunk and start this baby up, see what it sounds like, and just make sure that the engine works good. So let's get working on that. First thing is first, let's open that trunk. I know you guys want to see what's inside there. I really want to see what's inside there. So according to the comments, I'm supposed to know exactly how to open this trunk. So we're supposed to stick the key into the floorboard, twist it, and pop that trunk. So let's get working. So let's get that battery on. Actually, I don't think we even need to have the battery on, but all right. Right here, so we gotta stick the key in the floorboard right here, and we twist. I don't hear a pop, but let me try it first. Okay, twisted it. Okay, so twist and then lift. Man, it's probably because the spoiler is way too heavy. Here, can you twist it? Let's get another set of hands. Okay. Okay, twisted it? Yeah. Okay, try it again. Twist it and hold it. Okay. Would you look at that? Okay, okay. Oh snap, we got a bunch of junk in the trunk. Dude, a hat. Paintballs. Guardian Recovery Network. We got some paintballs, we got some bottles. I don't know what those things.
Some weird pads.
Some pads, we're not gonna touch those. We got some nuts. I don't wonder what this is probably for the exhaust. Isn't it missing one? I think it's missing one. So this is maybe from the exhaust. But guys, no cash. Nothing, no diamonds. No. Oh, some clear tape. So that's that. Well, I guess on that disappointment, let's try to start the engine and hope we get better results.
So it's only been a few hours since we got the key, so it's super exciting. We haven't started it. We don't know the exact miles. A lot of you guys have been telling us that it's under 30,000 miles, so that's good. But right now, before we crank it up, start cranking it, I'm gonna check the oil, we have these plugged up so nothing falls inside. Check the oil. I've checked it like 4 times before, but we're gonna check it again. And then check all the belts, make sure nothing's rubbing. But, I mean, we got oil, it's kind of low, and it's kind of dirty. We're gonna have to check out some of that Motul oil. And the belts look good, nothing's ripped up, so it should crank over. So, let me go and
get the moment of truth right now.
Alright, so miles.
So let's check the mileage.
Okay. Alright, so hold on. Where's their little thingy?
They stick in. Yeah. Oh.
Okay,
Oh. We
so-
got live, guys. It's the right key, that's for sure.
Okay, so, but should I
The button.
brake?
I think
I'm
if
not
you
trying
press the brake, you're gonna start it right away.
Okay, so how do I?
Don't hold the brake, probably. Oh.
22,800.
22,800, guys. Look at that.
22,803.
So almost 2,300. So I mean, that's low miles.
that's-
That is some good
that's
stuff right there.
Alright, so should we try to start it? Man, I don't know. I should probably like have it crank and then like,
If anything,
how do you shut it off?
if we take the battery off, that's not gonna do nothing. Woo! It started right up. She started right up.
Wow, that's
Hold on, don't run it for too long. Look at that. Well,
that's sick.
that is some good news right there. All right, guys, so we shut it off, but I mean, we couldn't do it just once, so we're gonna start it up. We checked the fluids again. Woo! Sounds like it has an exhaust leak though. Woo! That's some black smoke right there. Sounds like it has an exhaust leak. Dude, it definitely has an exhaust leak.
Yeah, but that's responsible. For some reason it has ABS light on.
ABS, well, yeah, it might have
It's
some
got a bunch
damage.
of stuff on. But man, that's sick. It sounds good. It sounds really good. It's so responsive.
So this thing starts. That is some exciting news. I mean, you guys heard it first. We are so motivated to just continue working on it. I mean, now we know that the engine is good. We got some low miles. But now it is time for the next really exciting news. Guys, come over here. Let me show you guys. So, look at this. Okay? We personally have made this for you guys. I mean, we thought we were gonna do it quick, but this took us probably what? You can almost say a full day. So a few nights it took us to make these things. So this is our rim, that one broken rim that we had. We cut it into pieces. And we made them on a little plaque. Look at this. Right here, it says Car Wars. We got the YouTube play button, GTR, the Vorsteiner, that's the brand of the rim. This is the model number, both of our signatures. And right here it says 2 of 2 and 1 of 2. So, guys, we were gonna give both of them away to you guys. But after we were done making these things, it looks so sick that we were like, you know what? We're gonna keep one of them. And to make it, I guess, more special, we're gonna keep one and we're giving the other one away. So we're gonna keep the 1 of 1 and the
1 of 2.
1 of 2. And you guys are gonna keep the 2 of 2. And possibly if we ever hit 100K or when we hit 100K, we might give the other one away also. But we're gonna hang it on our wall for now. Alright guys, so what you gotta do to enter this giveaway of this beautiful thing that we have created for you guys have to be subscribed to this YouTube channel. You guys go follow us on Instagram and then come back to this YouTube video or comment right away in the comment section, write giveaway, and we will select one of you guys at random and you will be the winner of this thing.
So it is time for that big decision. That way we know which way our project is going. We need to decide if we're going wide body or if we're keeping it the stock look. Because we need to start ordering parts and we can't do that. We can't order wheels. We can't order anything until the decision is made, and that is gonna be up to you guys. So for those of you guys who aren't sure what we're talking about, here's a picture of a wide body. As you can see that it's just, the whole GTR just looks way crazier, much wider. way more aggressive. So this is what a wide body, this is what we're talking about when we're saying wide body. And here is a picture of a stock, just a stock GTR with a big wing. Here's the second decision. So they're not gonna look exactly like that, but this is just an idea so you guys know what we mean when we're saying wide body. So if we go wide body, it's gonna be some variation of what you guys see. But if we go stock, then it's gonna look pretty much like your everyday GTR that you see. All right guys, so now it is time for you guys to vote because this decision is up to you. So up in the corner, there's gonna be a little icon. Reach out there, click on it, and select wide body or stock body. And that way we will know what to go with because our next move depends on you. We gotta order those parts and we can't sit too much longer because the wheels might take up to a month, maybe longer to make, and so does the body kit. But guys, go vote right now so your voice is heard and everybody gets to put in their input, what they want to see. So later on, you guys aren't saying, hey, the wide body kit was a dumb decision, or hey, look, the stock looks great. So don't forget, go select that because, I mean, we're counting on you guys. What you guys want, that's what we will be showing. But for those of you guys that are new, be sure to check out our Corvette rebuild. We've been rebuilding a Corvette. You guys named it the Smurf Vet, probably because of the color. We're done with the body, mostly done with the body, but now it's time to get to the engine. Engine is getting some serious power. So guys, share this video with your friends. Be sure to comment, subscribe, and see you guys on the next one.
Alright guys, so they're both done. This is how you know they're authentic. Check this out. You gotta get the
angle.
The angle. Look at that. First signature down. Now I gotta drop mine. Boom.